Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In our previous video, we discussed how to set up the Claude desktop and other necessary tools on our local machine. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up the WireMock MCP server. First, we need to download the WireMock MCP server on our local system. We can get the server from the Git repository. I have already downloaded the WireMock MCP server on my local machine. Since the WireMock MCP server is built using TypeScript, we need to build the server first before we can start using it. Next, I will open the command prompt and navigate to the root directory of the WireMock MCP server. Once I am inside the root directory, I will first use the node package manager to install all the required dependency by running the npm install command. After the installation is complete, I will build the server by executing the npm run build command. This process builds the WireMock MCP server, and once the build is successful, the server is ready to be used. After building the WireMock MCP server, the next step is to configure it in the Claude desktop application. To do this, open the Claude desktop and navigate to File, Settings, Developer. Under Local MCP Servers, click on Edit Config. This will open the location where the Claude desktop configuration file is stored. Open the JSON configuration file and add a new entry for WireMock MCP server. Once the entry is added, save the configuration file and restart the Claude desktop application. To verify that the WireMock MCP server has been configured correctly, go back to the local MCP server section in the settings and confirm that the server status shows as running. Any configuration that we add to the Claude desktop configuration file can be found in the README document of the WireMock MCP server repository. To ensure that the Claude application uses the WireMock MCP server, I will disable the web search option and enable the connector for the WireMock MCP server. If you want to see the list of tools exposed by the WireMock MCP server, you can either refer back to the documentation available in the GitHub repository or view them directly from the Manage Connector section within the Claude desktop settings. So in this manner, you can configure the WireMock MCP server in the Claude desktop application. That's all for this video and thanks for watching.